I want this whole back.
Daddy.
What do you think?
Yeah, at least you know all the pieces are there.
Brass wall lights. Bowling balls.
Are those professional bowling balls?
Yeah, pretty cool. Ooh, this one fits my hand too. That's the ball. I kind of want them.
This one off the public.
Oh, yeah, the public. What did I say? What did I say? That $4?
What off?
Yeah. Yeah, thank you very much.
You may get something else. It's been
Okay. Yeah. That's all right. We actually have like probably 100 in our office
Oh, really?
that people brought in, and our staff do them like during breaks and stuff.
I'll take your 2 bowling balls.
Oh yeah, great. You know, there's shoes in there too. You can take the shoes with it.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
You want to catch it?
Oh yeah, get a good workout. Cool. Let's go. Anything you say?
No.
So we watch you all the time.
Oh yeah?
Yes,
Hmm,
we do.
Thanks for watching. That was a good find. I would have bought it if you didn't.
Alright, Dad. How come I just didn't wait a long time? Because look.
What'd you find? A wagon? Oh, stuffies. Free, Anna.
What?
This is actually a costume.
This is a llama.
These are pterodactyl wings that you can wear.
Wait, free?
And a dinosaur.
As long as you promise to take good care of them, yeah.
Oh, I don't know if you can make that promise. It's pretty abusive.
Gonna rip their heads off and feed them to dogs.
That's a cool little light.
Haven't you seen Bob Bananas? He's in great shape.
He is in great shape, and you've had him for a while.
And I bring him everywhere.
Dough hum. Noisemaker. Kind of cool.
Except for a stuffed animal that's 10 years old.
They got a Mr. Robot.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Those are the
Did you 5 for these 2?
I forget what I even put on those.
I didn't see one on there.
Yeah, it's like for each one.
Well, no, I wanted the bundle deal. 6, 7, 7,
I'll do 7.
7. Okay.
I'm taking them.
You're taking the banana.
My boys love the banana.
And a banana.
5, 6, 7. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You guys have a great day. Now remember, take care of that banana. No feeding it to the animals.
Well, she's got a monkey, and so I think he's in trouble. Hello.
Yes, please. Oh, también hay ropa.
Smurf for nothing. Yeah, I saw that. That's cool. 20 bucks. That's retail. Retail. Retail.
NC Picker going to town.
Lovely, lovely yard sale.
NC Picker going to town.
Shh, don't tell him it's NC Picker. Morning. How are you doing? Pretty good. Pretty good. You got an RV water filter. Wonder if that would work on Granny's. Only $3. Maybe.
What is Grandma's new RV?
I can show you pictures. It's one of those ones that attaches to the back of your truck. Oh, look at the little poster. Isn't that cute? Oh, hey, it's me. What? 2-year-olds getting married? Yeah. I'll take your.
Indeed, what is happening? I look like.
Here's your
Thank
$3 for your water filter. All right, thank you. You too. See anything good, Anna?
If you go from here, you know where the Ace Hardware store is down here in Andrew? That is Plymouth Bridge Road. Oh, is it? Yes. So go all the way over.
That's cool.
Oh, Go left. Next road to right. Okay. So we're going to have it at
Look at all
7.
this.
Try to figure out when the sun will
Star Wars
rise.
stuff.
And then after the sunrise.
3D mugs, character mugs.
Wow, that's nice. Love to have you.
Oh, that's cool. How are you?
I'm doing great. Hope you are.
I am. How much is this stuff?
We're asking for
Cup?
just volunteer, just give us a donation.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sir. I'm sorry.
I want this whole box.
Daddy.
What do you think? Like 15 bucks? 15 bucks for the whole thing, or
Yes.
is it okay?
Yes.
Dad.
Yeah.
How much is it?
She said you have to donate.
What does donut mean?
Like give a gift.
Yes.
Here you go, man.
Thank you so much.
And I'll keep looking, but I'll just close it up. A little speaker. That's cool.
I'm not sure, Anna.
McGee and me.
Callie, because like there's so many. Daddy.
Yes, Callie.
No, it's not a big thing.
Rumpool of the Bailey. What is that? Based on... Huh. Seems kind of interesting. Token of truth.
You'll be right back.
Oh, where are you going?
I'm looking for different stuff.
Okay. Okay, let's see if we can find anything else. I got some Lincoln logs.
Dad,
These old planes are cool. Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Who's the
I believe it's...
thing? Daddy, Easter decorations.
Yeah, right there with the little fanny pack on. The Smurf stuff is cool, yeah.
Hey, there's Easter decorations.
Nice. That'll be perfect for Easter time.
Daddy,
Coming soon.
look, it's a dance match. Look at that.
Yeah, cool.
This is totally for whatever you want to do. For the children, they're all born orphans. So whatever you
Lego.
say, the perfect price. You can't argue with yourself. Ain't that a good price?
Right.
So yeah. Oops. There's missing pieces. What?
Pounce it in the ground.
Oh, that's cute. Mom might like that. How much was it? Okay. That's a good deal. Nice. Yes, Kelly. What's that bowling ball?
Daddy, there's 4.
We don't need 4 though, because you hang it on your window, right? Or your door, so you only need
We
1.
can just put them in the ground.
There's nowhere to attach them to the ground.
Yeah, we could just do
Callie, pick 1. What's it look like?
purple.
I don't know. I don't know if my other bowling balls were any good. Got some books. The Sylvester thing is cool. I don't know. Maybe that's all I want here.
Dad, should I get this one? Yeah, I was
Yeah,
thinking
the
about
purple one's cool.
I'll get this one. Either that one or this one. Which one do you like?
I like these Smurf things.
Daddy?
Yeah.
That's how much money this is.
I ain't putting no more knobs
Well,
up.
you'll sell this to Dad. If my other
How much
daughter
money
was
is
here,
this?
Callie, it's...
that's sweet.
She doesn't quite get it yet. I was thinking $5 for these little
That sounds
things.
good.
And then maybe, what is this, like $1?
That sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yay.
That'll be good. Mom will like it.
So $6 in total. I'll give her the $1.
You give it to her?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'll put this in my
That,
box.
you want that other one for $1?
What, the other bunny thing?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do $1 for that one. Let me put this in my box first. Callie, bring it over here near my box. This is my box of fun.
Daddy, Easter decorations
Here,
are
go
most.
give her this $1 for it.
Dad, Easter decorations are mostly expensive.
Yeah. see what else they got here. Do I want this bowling ball? Oh, look at this. Elvis Presley cassettes. His amazing performances. Kind of neat.
I am so glad y'all came.
$1 for this. She does not.
What are you, Callie?
Oh,
You
that's
see your
free.
grandma, you give her a hug for me, okay?
Free.
Give your grandma a hug for me.
All right, thank y'all.
This is free.
Hey everyone, thanks for coming with us to those yard sales. Got some interesting items. If you want to see what everything sells for, make sure you subscribe to NC Flipper. I say that every time, but just want to make sure you know there's more content over there if you enjoy it. So let's talk about what we got there. I know we got, I tried to put it in a pile here. This did not come from there. I got this geode lamp. These are pretty cool. I know like brand new they sell for around 40. There's some really nice ones on eBay I just looked up that sell for like 70. So I'm thinking maybe I'll put it in at 30 and see if someone goes for it. I think it's cool. These little old sound machines are pretty cool. They almost always go for 15 to 18 bucks. So paid a couple bucks for the pair. So not a big deal. I think actually maybe paid 7 for both. So I'll definitely get my money back on this, and whatever this little geode lamp sells for will be gravy. Then I went to like a really small sale. Just got a little filter for an RV, but it's brand new sealed. Looks like that sells for around 20 plus shipping, so that's fine. And then let's see. Oh, I did go to that mega sale, but I was really late. I couldn't find it. A viewer told me about it that I ran into, and I'm not even sure what all is in this box. But it was a donation thing, and so I tried not to be too cheap. But I'm sure some of you will think I was too cheap. But look at this. I mean, this is like, I don't even know if these are new. I need to look into it. It's just a bunch of boxes of like potentially new stuff, but I'm not really sure if it's new, right? But you got all these cool Darth Vader ceramic mugs. It's not all, yeah, is it all Darth Vader? Darth Vader? I mean, that'll be easy because I can just list a multi-listing. Yeah, there's another Darth Vader. So what is it? 4 Darth Vaders, I think. Yeah, Darth Vader. And Darth Vader. I don't know what these sell for, but I paid 15 for the whole box. Oh, this is opening. Yeah, 15 for the whole box. So I'm sure I'll get 15 out of the mugs. I also got this I'm kind of a big dill coffee mug, which I thought was funny. I got these Smurf things as part of that same sale. $5 for the Smurf things and maybe one other thing. I just thought those were cool. I did look up this one. It looked like it sells for 20 bucks. So I'll probably do fine on the Smurf stuff. There's also Lilo and Stitch DVD Adventures game. I don't know if that's worth anything. I'm kind of looking through this for the first time because I didn't really investigate. I just knew I wanted it. What is that? Oh, that's one of the Smurf guys. Here's a little mini, what is that? Salt and pepper shaker? See, I'm going to have to try not to keep these for myself because they're kind of cool. This I thought was cool. Hell Bros since 1913. Don't know if it's worth anything. This plate was just in here. Same with this wood letter thing. I don't know. Like I said, I just bought the whole box without really looking at it. What's this? More salt and pepper shakers. So I got, these are going to be easy listers, which is the nice thing about them. Crazy cat lady mug. That's cool. Another salt and pepper shaker. Is that another Darth Vader? Yeah. South Carolina. And let's see. These big mouth mugs are cool. Oh yeah, it's another I'm a kind of a big dill. And another crazy cat lady. So, oh, and then there's this. What is this? Notes. I don't know. Some sort of note board. Oh, and look at this. It's like a Yoda thing that you hang on your wall and you write on. So anyways, that was kind of cool. I mean, I love buying just a big box of stuff, not even knowing what's in there. From a real quick look though, this DVD set was a real win. It looks like it sells for 40 bucks. It's a Rumpole of the Bailey. Never heard of it, but it sells for around 40 bucks on eBay here. It's probably because it's from the UK. And it's harder to get over here. So, and I checked it. It's in mint condition. Looks like it's never been even touched. I already listed that one because it was so easy to list. Oh, and I also got some bowling balls at like the first sale. I have no idea if they're worth anything. I think they were called the Pearl by Brunswick. I passed by some bowling balls in past videos and viewers told me to buy them. So I figured I'd buy them. They're $5 a piece. Let me know if I did well on those. I have no idea. I haven't looked at them yet and they're still in my truck. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. See you next time.